Your phone has apps you've probably never heard of. Apps that do things your usual favorites can't. One helps break digital addiction loops before they even start. Another can replace a chunk of expensive camera gear. And one turns your phone into a search engine for your whole life. Today, I'm sharing 10 under-the-radar apps that'll unlock your smartphone's full potential. These aren't the basic apps you see everywhere. These are the secret power user tools that are actually going to change how you use your phone. All right, let's get into it. App 1, the privacy security app Data Eye. Most people don't realize how much data their phone leaks. This app acts as a local firewall. It doesn't just block ads. It stops apps from phoning home to trackers in the background. It's like a gatekeeper for your data. I noticed my battery life improved by 15%. You might ask how? Well, it blocks internet access for some apps and background pings. Yes, and it's essential for those who don't have Wi-Fi and are on tight data plans. It blocks any app that you don't want it to access the internet, and it is completely free to download and use. App 2. This one I call it the workflow game changer. Shot Studio, available for Android or CleanShot for desktop companion. Let's talk about automation. If you're manually doing repetitive tasks, you're wasting time. This is essentially an AI agent for your pocket. You can set it up to automatically organize your screenshots into folders or extract text from a photo and send it to your notes the second you snap it. It takes just a few seconds to configure and saves me 20 minutes a day. It is also free and open source. Shots Studio works offline with on-device AI. App 3. This one is the Digital Detox. Do you know why I call this app Digital Detox? This app, called OneSec, forces you to focus on other tasks by locking you out of your doom-scrolling apps. It traces the mostly used apps and makes you take a literal break. It also makes you take deep breath for a set period before the app opens. It sounds simple, but it breaks the dopamine loop that keeps you scrolling for hours. It's brutal, but it works. It has a free version and also works completely offline. App 4. The Hidden Search. This app is called Raycast, available for iOS or Sesame Search for Android. It is a search engine that actually searches inside your apps, not just the web. It finds that one email from 3 years ago, a specific Spotify playlist, or that hidden note you wrote last month without you having to open 5 different apps to find it. Sounds cool, right? Okay? And it is free and works offline for local searches and requires internet for cloud-based app results. App 5. The Battery Saver. Despite many devices coming with inbuilt battery saving, e-battery for Android or battery life for iOS, it is also a battery management tool that actually works better. Here is what it does special. It identifies the vampire apps that are straining your CPU in the background. It gives you deep technical data like cycle counts and production dates, so you know exactly when your hardware is the problem versus a poorly coded app. And it is free and works 100% offline. App 6. I call it the professional wildcard, my Light Meter Pro. This is a must-have app for professional photographers. Here is a reason why. It turns your phone into a professional-grade light meter. It's not just a utility, it's fun to use and replaces expensive gear for photographers and filmmakers by measuring the exact light exposure of your environment. Well, while it seems cool to have it, it is not absolutely free. It is a paid-for one-time purchase, requires a phone with decent camera to work effectively, and also works offline. App 7 is the Privacy Transcriber. This app is called Voice Scriber AI. Privacy is everything in 2026. This app transcribes your voice memos or meetings entirely on device. Most apps send your audio to the cloud, but this keeps every word on your hardware. It's perfect for sensitive work or capturing ideas in airplane mode. It is free version available, works 100% offline, and there might also be alternative versions that require internet to work. App 8. The Ghost Browser. This one gives you the real hiding. It is called Mulvad Browser. If you want to be totally invisible online, this is the gold standard. It's built to stop browser fingerprinting. Think the sneaky way websites that track you even if you use a VPN. The second you close it, it wipes everything. No cookies, no history, no trace. You might want to try Brave Browser too. It has same advanced features as Mulvad and it won't disappoint. Event though is free. As you know, it is a browser, and it will definitely require internet to operate. App 9 is the hardware sync. This app is called Adaptive Theme. It works by synchronizing with your device hardware in real time. While the standard dark mode is set to a clock, this app is smarter. It uses your phone's actual ambient light sensor. Walk into light, and it flips to light mode for visibility. Walk into a dark room, and it instantly switches to dark mode. It makes your phone feel like it actually understands your surroundings. Seems cool, right? Yeah! And it is free and open source. Works offline using your phone's sensors. Before I share the last one on the list, I want to make it clear that this video is not sponsored by the above-mentioned apps. These suggestions are based solely from my personal experience and the need to share valuable insights for people out there. The information provided here is as of April 2026, and the subscription status of the free or paid apps might change in future. Now that we're clear on that, let's find out that last cool app on the list. This app is called Poe. Poe is an app that basically brings multiple AI models together in one place. So, instead of downloading separate apps for tools like Claude, Gemini, or other AI options, you can use them all from one app, which makes it faster and simpler, especially when you're creating content and you don't want to keep switching apps. And the best part is, Poe also lets you build or create your own assistant bot-style chat for a specific purpose, like writing a certain type of script, helping with thumbnails, turning ideas into outlines, or answering questions in your exact tone. So, you can set it up for recurring tasks instead of starting from scratch every time. Wrapping up, upgrades are necessary. But if you're tight on budget, the best way to grow with your phone isn't necessarily buying a new one every year. It's to learn how to use the one you have better. I've linked all of these apps in the description. If you found even one of these useful, hit that like button and keep an eye in the comment section as you comment your thoughts. Someone might suggest the best app too, which I probably haven't mentioned in this video. Drop it in the comment section with its functions so that others can benefit too. So, which one are you downloading first? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.